Molweni, and welcome to the adventure that is higher education here at the University of Cape Town. Leamogetse, baya welcome. I am so proud that you have chosen to become a member of the UCT community. We know that selecting an institution for your degree program or a university can be a tough decision, and we are honored that you have chosen to study at Africa's top-rated university. The first year at any university can be challenging. As a student, you will discover many opportunities as well as experiences that may feel unfamiliar. Our aim with exposing you to these opportunities and challenges is not just to produce alumni or people that have graduated from UCT, but is to also produce future leaders who will help to impact Africa and influence the world. After all, UCT has very high standards of excellence. I want to assure you that your lecturers, your professors, your deans and faculty support staff, in fact, all of us at UCT, we value you and we want you to succeed. After all, your success will represent success for UCT as a whole. UCT's Vision 2030, this is our strategy that we have for everyone's human potential to be unleashed in order to create a fair and a just society. Many of our alumni and graduates become leaders in their chosen fields and are working hard towards achieving this very vision across the world. You will be learning from some of those leaders here at UCT as you continue and progress with your studies. I encourage you to pursue your higher education and your personal growth in the following ways. Firstly, ask questions. It sounds simple, but it's important. This is the best way to learn, whether you are trying to find your lecture hall or the answer to a difficult mathematics or anthropology problem. Try out new experiences. We invite you to join any of the very wide range of extracurricular activities and clubs and societies that are on offer on campus. We hope you will also spend time getting to know other students and make friendships that will last a lifetime. Thirdly, we would like you to live a balanced life. Exercise, sleep, and a healthy diet will help you to get the best out of your university experience. Fourth, seek help when you need it. This is very important. We know that university life can be difficult at times. Your physical and your mental health and your overall well-being are very important to us. If it so happens that you need assistance, please reach out to our student wellness service, which offers on-site, online, and telephonic counseling and support. You can also contact UCT Student Careline, which is available and open 24/7. Finally, we would like you to commit to the values of UCT. In every community, you will find that these communities are made up of different individuals from different backgrounds and with different goals. I encourage you to listen and listen respectfully to others, to appreciate each other's shared values, to help each other build passion for education and for UCT, and to commit yourselves to the future of your university, your home community, and your country. You will hear me speak quite a lot about Ubuntu. It is not by accident. UCT is not Africa's top university by accident. We are committed to excellence and to transformation because we want each of you to be able to fulfill your true potential, not just to graduate, but also to achieve your dreams for yourself, for your family, for your community, for South Africa, and for the continent. I am therefore excited to see what you will become at UCT, and I hope that you will feel at home. We wish you all the best. Thank you very much.